Our company is a professional manufacturer of renewable resource equipment and solid waste disposal equipment. For many years, we have been committed to providing high-quality products and solutions to the world. Now our main product series are scrap steel crushing production line, scrap home appliance crushing equipment, scrap wire recycling equipment, non-ferrous metal sorting equipment, large waste disposal equipment, industrial waste crushing equipment, hazardous waste crushing system, medical waste crushing system, and so on. The main products are single shaft shredder, double shaft shredder, high-speed crusher, scrap steel hammer crusher, vertical crusher, crocodile shear, gantry shear, copper wire recycling machine, and so on. With 8,000 square meters of standardized industrial plants, more than 20 sites of machining equipment, 50 skilled workers and 10 experienced engineers, we can provide you with perfect and material